want your money and music. I'm about to be one of you. Look what you did. Told you that I'm on the way. I'm like an exit away. Yep. If I didn't rap, bleed on her, would you still have? If I'm in my mind, where would you still have? Keep it $100, you trust me, they do. Keep it all on, oh God, you are that nothing for my money. There's no money, no one that money. For my money. If you love me, just love me. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. It's like home to me. It's like home to me. I'm tired of your hands pouring out. Now it's looking like a long sleeve. Just know that it's all me. And when you see Chanel, I wish that's how you saw me. Next thing you tell Chanel, I wish that's how you call me. That raw shit, that honesty. Yeah. You know I love you more than all the niggas put together. And it's a lot of niggas trust, I put the list together. And it's a lot of niggas who were meant to be together. You gotta live that shit for real, you can't just say whatever. You can never tell nobody that you held me down. If it was riding down, you should have been here right now. So I don't get how you yelling at me. How much I gotta spend for you to pipe down? How deep I gotta dig for you to pipe down? All the things I've done up until right now. I need 1,000 pages just to write it down. Writing down these feelings, it's been overdue. Don't know how many years it's gonna take to get over you. How much I gotta pay for you to pipe down? How deep I gotta dig for you to pipe down? Try to run it back 100 times. This world is yours, but the city's mine. Can't believe you put it on your mother's line. Can't believe you told me you was ride or die. You're not here, something, you're still alive.
Oh shit,